Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Urban Mission New Nongstoin Presbyterian Church harangkat ke jingis nok tilang bat ke District Social Welfare Officer West Sales haka arpun ritarik benai jeleu arjar khat kendai kala rakhi ya ke sngi ban yakun persya ya drug bat ke jing khayi be an ya uniu jingdi pun buat haka perthai barok kawai ka jing tmu jong ka Urban Mission New Nongstoin Presbyterian Church kamlong tang ban supan syai bat persung thu pai ba Nrai ke jing temu ke bakong san kalong ban ai jing hikai ki samla jong ni ka than ya ki khina school ba di ki pai ba halor ke jing sniu ba ki jing ma ki ba mi na ke jing di yo drug ka kong MA kharbhi ka balong ke District Social Welfare Officer jong ka West Sales District kala khot bat wer ya ki me ki pa ba di ki nong hikai school bat kumjuru ya ki seng balang bat ki seng treimon ngobha bakin shim ya ke jingit kle ban pentikna ba ki khon samla kin light na ke jing di yo drug Hagani kesingi la yo jengkran ru na Medical and Health Officer ka West Sales District u Dr. R. Lalu u ba di mauleng u Circle Inspector ka Nongstoin u Reverend R.T. Shangdiar bat kiwe
Dara kemegi kepai kilang observer ni itu u khana wa lani khana ba balangat hagini ki jingti dos belum withdrawn hisabi khamat la lose interest in studies non interest show ban lek kai thangan show teng la kwa shong tang marwai dena la kwa shong marwai ki paralok ki ba imithu show teng 1 year ka no jem tip show telara ki me ki pagi ni listen na ne mong tang listen bas ngap da bi observe ru kumjo kumong te ngathangi la ban detect ki khol na ki la ngat na di drugs.
Dependent on tobacco, you'll have to smoke maybe for 5-6 years, 10 to 15 cigarettes, then you become dependent on it. With heroin, I guess maybe 3 or 4 shots in gym. In perhaps you'll have to use the drug only 3 or 4 times, then you become dependent on it.